Writing is often a difficult skill for learners, and it's not the most popular skill. Normally, students need to learn writing skills for more extrinsic reasons, such as for exams, university, for business reasons, and so on. Even in a writing class, learners do not spend long periods of time writing as this can be very time-consuming. However, sometimes it is important to dedicate a class to writing skills so that students can improve this skill and get some feedback from the teacher. This lesson plan focuses on writing informal emails, which is a real-life task. Emails are also a very common task in exam questions, so it is always useful to practice this in class. This lesson focuses on two aims: writing an informal email, and also working on the sub-skill of punctuation. The lead-in introduces students to the topic of messages and emails. This topic is relevant for learners as they will have all sent an email before, or a WhatsApp message, and can relate to the key language of the lesson. The teacher uses images to provide the students with some context, and get them thinking about the possible content of the email between the two colleagues. This can activate vocabulary and generate ideas for the lesson ahead. The learners then read the email and answer some simple questions. Remember, reading and writing go hand in hand, so it is likely that your writing lessons will also involve some reading. The teacher moves on to the focus of the lesson, which is punctuation. The teacher elicits that the problem is that the email does not use any punctuation. The teacher will try to elicit this fact from the class. Students then work in groups to correct the email in terms of punctuation. This task also uses peer correction to share ideas and work together. For online lessons, the teacher can put the students into breakout rooms to form small groups, and visit each one briefly to monitor their progress. Now that the students have worked on the sub-skill of using punctuation, the next stages help to prepare them to attempt the writing task. Pre-writing enables the students to underline the key points of the email that they need to reply to. This is a useful activity as it emulates an exam task where students need to reply to key points of an email. Students then actually write the email. Writing an email is a relatively short writing task, so it works well for the online and offline classroom. Online, students can use a Google document or Padlet to collaboratively write and edit their work. The homework task enables students to practice the task again, but using different points. They can share their emails and ideas with the peers or teacher via Google Drive, ready for the next lesson.